Hello, cottage friends. Today we're going to be making fabric scrap pumpkins. So get your fabric scraps out and let's get started. I'm going to show you some illustrations. You can use needlepoint pieces, whatever scraps you have. Select your fabrics of a similar weight, 4 different patterns. Cut them into 12 equal strips. 3 of each color and 2.5 by 12 approximately. Sew the strips into a tube shape, closing them up, alternating each pattern. Turn your tube inside out and secure the bottom with a string or thread. Hot glue the end to secure it and seal it. Now you can fill it with dry beans or rice, and then add your stuffing. Give it a lot of stuffing. And then gather the top edge to close it off using crisscross stitches. Make it nice and secure, leaving a small hole at the top for your stem. You want to find a piece of a branch or a twig for your stem and glue the stem in place with hot glue. Place your stem, make sure it's secure, and then embellish with some faux leaves and Spanish moss and berries. I got mine at the dollar store. Get these ready now so you have them in time for fall for your decorating fun. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate you liking and subscribing to my channel, and thank you for all of you who have already done that. Have a great day and take good care of yourself. Stay positive.